Want to start investing but have no idea where to begin? Maybe you've heard about Betterment and how it makes investing simple, but you're not sure about the first step. You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to open a Betterment account from start to finish. The process is surprisingly straightforward, and you can get an account set up in as little as 3 minutes. There are a few key things you'll need, like a valid U.S. address, a social security number, and a U.S. bank account for funding. Have that ready? Great. Let's dive into the steps. First, head over to the Betterment website or download the app. You'll see an option to sign up or get started. Once you click that, the first thing it will ask is for your email and to create a password. Simple enough. Next, you'll be asked to provide some basic personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, and contact details. This is standard for any financial account and is all about verifying your identity. After that, Betterment will ask you about your financial goals. This is where it gets interesting and a bit different from other platforms. Betterment is built on a goal-based system. It might ask you what you're saving for, whether it's retirement, a down payment on a house, or just building general wealth. You'll set a goal and a timeline, and Betterment will use that information to recommend a portfolio that's right for you. For example, if your goal is far in the future, it might suggest a more aggressive portfolio with a higher stock allocation. Once you've set your first goal, you'll be prompted to connect an external bank account. This is the account you'll use to fund your Betterment account. You can do this instantly by logging in with your bank credentials or manually with your account and routing numbers. Finally, you will review all the information you've provided and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you hit Create My Account, you're officially a Betterment account holder. From there, you can make your first deposit and start your investing journey. You can also add more goals and link additional accounts as you go. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you can have your Betterment account up and running. It's a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to start investing without the stress of managing a portfolio on their own. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.